Want to trade like you've hired 10 analysts? Today I'm handing you my personal DeFi stack. No sponsorships, no fluff. Stick around. You'll leave with 11 proven tools for analytics, trading, airdrops, and portfolio hygiene, plus 6 bonus gems for extra firepower. First, DefiLlama, the Bloomberg terminal of DeFi. Track TVL, chain inflows, even protocol fees instantly. Next, Infinit Labs. Think ChatGPT for DeFi strategies. Type best 7-day yield on Solana, and then AI agent lines it up. Third, Dexu AI. Free social heat map. Shows which coins influencers just pumped. Updated every few seconds. Number 4. Moni attention tracker. It spots where smart wallets are looking before they actually buy. Remember, attention beats volume. 5. Turtle Clubhouse. Private LP deals. Boost liquidity rewards by 5 to 50% if you stake early. 6. DefiDot. CEX speed, fully on chain. Quick swaps or perps straight from your wallet. 7. Token Terminal. Real fundamentals. Revenue, PE ratios, active users for over 300 protocols. 8. RWA.xyz. If you love real-world assets, this is the Bloomberg of tokenized treasuries. 9. Earndrop. Paste your wallet. See unclaimed airdrops in under 3 seconds. No sign-up. 10. Debank. All-chain portfolio tracker and Web3 messenger. Ping any address like it's WhatsApp. 11. Coingecko. Still my price sanity check. Now bundles token terminal fundamentals right inside. Bonus round. Rapid fire. Ink the following quickly, 1 per line. Infinex, Swap Bridge, Switch, and Gasless Intents. Artemis, cross-chain fees and dev metrics. Mass money. Mobile perps up to 25x. Tokenomist AI. Unlock calendars and tokenomics API. Grow the pie. Deep Ethereum L2 economics. Dune, 750k community SQL dashboards, free. Here's my Sunday ritual. DefiLlama for macro flows. Dexu and Moni for narrative heat. Token terminal for fundamentals. Then execute on DefiDot or Infinit. 10 minutes, alpha secured. Remember, tools are not guarantees. Double check contracts. Watch for phishing clones. If this stack leveled up your game, smash that like. Drop your follow tool in the comments and subscribe for tomorrow's market plan.